What's up, guys? I just pulled up to my local Dollar Tree. I'm here because I know that they should have out seed starting materials. After Christmas, the beginning of January, they usually start putting out their seed starting supplies. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, I just got back in the car. I bought some pretty cool stuff that I'll show you when we get back to the house. Okay, we're back inside my glass room and I want to show you guys what I got. I picked up some pots, some container pots. I got 3 of these. They have, if I could get it off. So they're the ones that have the bottom where you can, it can store water in it. I got 3 of these. I have them in other colors too. So I really love this color. I do have some from last year, but I really like these for houseplants as well as just like container pots of herbs and stuff. And I got these pots. These were new. They're like really hard, like around the rim, and I just thought that these would look really like a dark gray color. Well, it's kind of looking green in the light, but they're like a dark gray color. I thought that these would look really good with some either herbs or houseplants as well. Then I got 4 of these containers. I got these because I want to sit them on my back patio with like either some flowers or maybe some potted lettuce or something like that. Then I got 8 of these. They are not in the gardening section. They are just your regular buckets, or what you would consider like a mop bucket, I guess. But I got 8 of them because I'm going to use those for harvesting cut flowers. So when I need to water to go out and collect cut flowers, I will be using those buckets. And then I picked up not a lot, but I picked up some seeds because I have mostly all of the seeds that I'll need this season. When I was planting some of my like brassicas, I realized I didn't have any cauliflower, so I did pick up cauliflower. I don't know where it's at, but yeah, I picked up, oh yeah, it's right here. I picked up some cauliflower because I realized I didn't have any, so I'm going to plant this right away. I also picked up another broccoli because I think I used all of my broccoli. Some other things I picked up was some top crop bush beans. This is an heirloom variety. I don't know if people know, but you can pick up heirloom seeds from the Dollar Tree, and it's like 4 packs for $1, and I think they come with like, maybe last year when I counted, maybe it was like 15 seeds in there for 25 cents, so that's really good. So I got the top crop. I like growing bush beans because in the past, because I didn't need any trellising, and you can plant 9 in a square foot if you're following the square foot gardening method, which I usually do, and so I really like bush beans. I also got some serrano chili pepper just because I don't have any hot pepper seeds because I just don't eat a lot of spicy food, but I figured I would try these. I think I have maybe jalapeno peppers. I know I have the habanada, but yeah, so I got that. I got lavender because I used all of my lavender seeds. Same thing, I got chives because I used all of my chives. I got let's see, Bush Lake 274 Bush Lake beans. I have a Kentucky Wonder pole bean because I am going to try and grow pole beans this year. I have a tender and proved bush beans. I got this red cord, I think that's called Chantnay, but it's also an heirloom variety of carrots. And then I just got some zinnia seeds. So I got this semi-dwarf one. It's a mix. I got a giant cactus mix because that just looked really pretty. And then I got Giants of California. I do have lots of zinnia seeds from other places like Johnny's and where else? Maybe Seeds Now, but I didn't have these, so I just got extra zinnia seeds because it can't hurt to have extra zinnia seeds. So that's everything I got. I did get a pack of gum, so I ended up spending with tax $25, but I'm so excited for this growing season. I was waiting on to get these buckets. I knew I wanted them for when I start harvesting some flowers. I'm gonna go ahead and get this planted, so I'm really excited about that and really excited about this gardening season. If you have a local Dollar Tree or Dollar General around you, I would highly suggest going in there, especially if you're on like a budget for seeds, because you'll be surprised at what you can get. Lots of containers. They did have you know, those stackable containers where you can, there's like 3 sections, which I have those. I have some, maybe like I have 32 of them, and so I didn't get any this year, but those are really good for growing like herbs, and I have some strawberries in them right now. Actually, I'll go show you. So this one, I have strawberries planted in it, and then I have one over here that I started some herbs in, and you can see that they're already starting to grow. So this is thyme right here. I have cilantro right here. I have viola, which is a flower. I also have some alyssum, which is also a flower, some dill, coriander, which is cilantro, and over here I have oregano as well as a rosemary right there. So I'm really excited. About those. I have more of those, and I'm gonna be planting them with some more strawberries and some more herbs. Last year I planted bush beans in them, which did really well as well. Also some tomato plants and some pepper plants that were the bush varieties that didn't get like maybe more than 12 inches and stuff like that, and those all did fairly well. I was growing in a shady area, and so it took a long time to produce fruit, but that's also an option for you. But yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.